Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The Best Bangle Charms is probably one of the most versatile and personal accessories you can own, allowing you to express your unique style and commemorate special moments with every piece you choose to adorn your wrist with, transforming a simple bangle into a story that unfolds with each charm added, making it a truly dynamic and meaningful fashion statement that evolves with you over time. Number 5. Acejoz Assorted Enamel Charms Jewelry Making Kit. Discover a vast collection of charms perfect for all your jewelry making needs. This kit provides everything you need to start creating beautiful pieces. Crafted from high-quality zinc alloy, these charms are durable, vibrant, and safe for sensitive skin. Enjoy long-lasting wear and beautiful designs. With a wide array of styles including stars, moons, hearts, and fruits, you can express your unique personality. Let these charms make you shine. These exquisite charms are small, ranging from 0.2 to 1.5 inches, making them ideal for any craft. Sorting through them is part of the fun. Use them for necklaces, bracelets, earrings, keychains, and more. They are perfect for personal use or as a thoughtful gift for a creative friend. Your new collection comes neatly organized in a plastic box, making storage and access a breeze. Keep your charms tidy and ready for your next project. What we like. This set offers an incredible variety of 200 charms, perfect for any DIY enthusiast. If you love having tons of options and enjoy the process of sorting and selecting the perfect pieces for your creations, this is the kit for you. It's ideal for those who want to make a wide range of jewelry and crafts, from necklaces to keychains. What people say. The charms are intricately designed with fine details, making them stand out on any bangle. The quality of the metal used is excellent, giving the charms a substantial feel and ensuring durability. The variety of designs available allows for great personalization, enabling users to create a unique look. Number 4. Thrilez 300 PCS Charm Bangle Bracelet Making Kit. Discover the ultimate 300-piece kit designed for endless bracelet making fun. It's packed with everything you need to get started right away. Inside, you'll find 20 expandable bangles, a dazzling array of 80 charms, 200 jump rings, and all the essential tools for assembly. Express yourself with a variety of colorful bangles and jump rings. Mix and match to create unique designs that truly represent your style. Making beautiful bracelets has never been simpler. With the included pliers and jump ring opener, you can easily craft personalized jewelry. Presented in a beautiful gift box with instructions, this set makes an ideal present for anyone who loves to create. It's ready to be gifted. Design your very own personalized bracelets with this fantastic charm set. It's also a wonderful way to share your creativity with friends. What we like. This is a comprehensive 300-piece kit designed for making bangle bracelets, and it even includes the necessary tools. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to get started immediately, especially as a gift for someone creative, this set is an excellent choice. It simplifies the process by providing everything you need in one package. What people say. The charms are intricately designed with fine details, adding a unique touch to my bangle. The clasp mechanism is secure and easy to operate, ensuring the charms stay in place. The variety of designs available allows for great personalization and expression. Number 3. UPINS 60 PCS Silver Expandable Bangle Bracelets. Introducing a set of 60 expandable bangle bracelets in a sleek silver finish. Crafted from durable steel wire, they offer a smooth and comfortable wearing experience. With an inside diameter of 2.6 inches, these bracelets are designed to be adjustable. You can easily modify them to fit most wrist sizes comfortably. These are perfect for DIY jewelry making. Add your favorite charms and pendants to create unique, personalized bracelets that reflect your style. Whether you're just starting out or are an experienced jewelry maker, these blank bangles provide a fantastic base for your crafting projects. More than just a craft supply, these DIY bracelets make for a truly unique and heartfelt gift. Surprise your mother, sisters, or friends with a custom creation. Made from high-quality stainless steel, these bracelets are built to last. Their solid construction ensures they remain comfortable and stylish for everyday wear. What we like. You get 60 adjustable silver bangles made from durable stainless steel. If your main focus is on the bracelet base and you want a comfortable, customizable fit for yourself or as a gift, these are perfect. They provide a sleek and solid foundation for adding your own unique charms. What people say. The charms are intricately designed with fine details, adding a unique touch to my bangle. They are made of high-quality sterling silver, ensuring durability and a lasting shine. The clasp mechanism is secure and easy to operate, keeping the charms safely in place. Number 2. 259 PCS Inspirational Motivational DIY Charms for Crafting. You'll receive a generous set of 259 pieces, including motivational charm pendants, open jump rings, and key rings. This collection is perfect for all your jewelry making and crafting needs. These charms, jump rings, and key rings are made from durable alloy material. They are sturdy, well polished, and have a smooth, shining surface for a quality finish. Each pendant is engraved with various uplifting words like, "I love you," and "Live your dream." Combined with creative designs, they add a meaningful touch and express your blessings. This motivational charm set makes a wonderful gift for birthdays, New Year, graduations, Valentine's Day, and more. They are ideal for sharing with loved ones. Create personalized necklaces, bracelets, keychains, and more with this versatile set. You can design unique gifts that truly reflect your style and thoughtfulness. What we like. This set features charms engraved with inspirational words, perfect for creating meaningful jewelry. If you want to make gifts that carry a special message or express personal affirmations, these charms are ideal. They are great for anyone looking to add a touch of motivation and sentiment to their DIY projects. What people say. The charm is beautifully designed with intricate details. It fits perfectly on my bangle and adds a lovely touch. The quality of the material is excellent, very durable. Number 1. PDWZNBA 18K Gold-Plated Love Friendship Bracelet. Discover a bracelet that embodies timeless elegance and enduring connection. Crafted with exquisite 18K gold plating, it's designed to be cherished. This piece symbolizes the beautiful bonds of love and friendship. It's a perfect way to express your deepest affections and celebrate your cherished relationships. Experience the perfect blend of trend-setting style and lasting durability. Its stainless steel construction ensures it remains a stylish companion for years to come. Looking for the ideal gift? This stunning bangle is a thoughtful and luxurious present for any woman in your life. Show them how much they mean to you. Adorn her wrist with a symbol of your appreciation. This beautiful jewelry is designed to make her feel special and loved, making any occasion memorable. What we like. This option boasts an 18K gold-plated finish on trendy stainless steel bangles. If you're aiming for a stylish, modern look with a touch of luxury, this is the choice for you. It's perfect for women who appreciate fashionable jewelry that is both durable and elegant, suitable for everyday wear or special occasions. What people say. The charms are intricately designed with fine details, showcasing excellent craftsmanship. The unique locking mechanism ensures the charm stays securely in place on the bangle. These charms are made from high-quality, durable materials that resist tarnishing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.